In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your calendar on Pipedrive. Getting your calendar synced is one of the best ways to stay on top of meetings, demos, and follow-ups without constantly jumping between tools. Let's walk through this slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Pipedrive and look to the top corner where your profile icon is. This is usually a small circle with your initials or an image. Click that icon, and from the menu that appears, choose the option called Personal Preferences. This is where you'll find the settings that apply just to your account, including your calendar. Once you're inside your personal preferences, look at the menu or sidebar on the left-hand side. Find and select the option labeled Calendar Sync. This is the dedicated area Pipedrive provides to manage your connection with external calendars like Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook. On the Calendar Sync page, you'll see a place to enter the email address that's associated with the calendar you want to connect. Type that email in carefully, then click the button that says Connect Account. This tells Pipedrive which calendar service it should talk to. After you click Connect Account, a new window or tab will open asking you to log into your calendar provider. This might be Google or Microsoft, depending on what you use. Sign in with your usual details, then review the permissions that appear. Pipedrive needs access to read and create events so it can keep everything in sync. When you're comfortable with what it's asking for, click Allow to authorize the connection. Next, you'll be asked to choose your sync type. Here, select the option for two-way sync. With a two-way sync, any event you create or update in Pipedrive will appear in your external calendar, and any changes you make in your external calendar will show up in Pipedrive. This keeps everything aligned and helps you avoid double booking or missing appointments. Finally, you'll see a list of calendars associated with that account. Many people have more than one, like a main calendar plus project or personal calendars. Choose the specific calendar you want Pipedrive to use for your activities. Once you've selected the right one, click Start Syncing. Give it a moment and your events will begin to appear. From now on, your Pipedrive activities and your external calendar will stay connected and up to date automatically.